There's many shortcuts that can be taken in an installation, like the balancer system components that aren't actually listed. I mean, normally a quote just has the solar panels and the inverter, but a lot of the balancer system components aren't actually listed. You can use cheap isolators, unknown cabling. We've seen installers that actually roll up into jobs and budget vans, so they're actually, they're not in the game for the long term. They're just in the game to actually make money as fast as possible and then exit the industry. If you do have a problem with your system, there's no number to call. You can try to call the installer, but he's not going to be around to take the phone call. A homeowner's not going to know if their system's actually up to scratch until something goes wrong, and by then it can be too late because that installer might not be around anymore. The company's gone bust. There's 250,000 estimated orphan solar systems where if something does go wrong, the customer will ring up and they'll find the company's not in business. Solar panel manufacturers that have actually been delisted from the CEC approved panel list, so you'll find that you'll have no warranty. They're not in Australia. Good luck with that because you're not going to get through. They're not going to speak English. They're not going to return your emails. Yeah, there's many horror stories in the industry. A lot of installers, there's government money involved, so there's a lot of companies that actually pay contractors to come out to actually install your system. You buy it off a sales company. They just look up this Clean Energy Council installer list, find an installer in the area, and just look for the lowest priced installer to install the product. It does pay to pick the right installer. Solar is it's a game that's not hard to actually get into. You can just do a 2-day course and become a solar installer. Yeah, these are just common things that we've noticed in the industry in our time, which is why we think it's very important to pick a good installer.